Ekosem-Agrar AG, the holding company of the Russian EkoNiva group, is doubtless one of the largest agricultural companies in the world. As part of our documentary film productions, we repeatedly had the opportunity to visit the company in the past years. This YouTube short film series presents new exclusive insights into a mega company, which was established by a German in the late 1990s. After the collapse of the Soviet Union, the Russian agricultural industry was in ruins. Many agricultural enterprises failed on their way out of the planned economy. But there was no shortage of fertile farmland. Excited about these possibilities, geoecologist Stefan Duhr, who had just completed his trainee program in Russia, began to explore his opportunities in the country. In 1998, at the age of 34, he started trading in agricultural machinery in the Voronezh Oblast. Stefan acquired his first farm in 2002, marking the beginning of a German-Russian success story. It's July 2019. We start the first part of this short film series where everything began for EkoNiva, only 2,000 kilometers from Hamburg as the crow flies. Near the small town of Lisky, on the River Don, 600 kilometers south of Moscow, are the first bases of the agricultural machinery company established by Stefan Duhr, and the first modern dairy cow facility he built. Originally established as one company, the two divisions were split up into Ekosem-Agrar AG for agricultural production and Ecotechnica AG for agricultural machinery sales in 2011. Both companies have a presence in the main Russian regions, with their farms and facilities spread over thousands of kilometers. We visit the dairy farm in Bobrov, 40 kilometers east of Lisky. Opened in 2018, this complex was built according to typical EkoNiva standards on a greenfield site. 2,800 dairy cows are kept in modern sheds and milked in a 72-cow milking carousel. Bobrov is only one of currently 62 EkoNiva dairy farms in Russia. 90% of the cows are kept in state-of-the-art runs, measuring 300 to 400 meters in length. About 100 employees from the company's own workforce work at a complex such as Bobrov. These include barn managers, agronomists, milking staff, veterinarians, and machine operators. Depending on their performance group, the cows are fed a total mixed ration that is essentially based on alfalfa and maize silage, to which soy, rapeseed and grain from the company's own fields are added. By the end of 2019, EkoNiva will milk a total of 100,000 cows in Russia. This is an unbelievable dimension which the company has reached. 36,000 cows are kept in the 26 facilities around the town of Lisky alone. The fodder for these operations is grown on 140,000 hectares. Much of this is alfalfa, but there's also maize, grain, and sugar beets. EkoNiva currently cultivates a total of 554,000 hectares in Russia and is growing strongly. 60 to 70% of this area is used for forage crops. The rest are food crops like sugar beets. Another purpose of our visit to the Russian Chernozem region is to film EkoNiva's grain harvest. We're still near the town of Lisky, where several thousand hectares of grain have to be harvested within just a few weeks. 6 John Deere combine harvesters operate on this plot of more than 200 hectares. The square balers have also arrived in the meantime and are now starting work. The main attractions are the 2 grain carts from US manufacturer Balsa. The Field Floater 6 has a capacity of over 50 cubic meters. Thanks to the impressive screw conveyor, an enormous 35 cubic meters per minute can be unloaded. The harvest is carried out entirely with the company's own machines. Hauliers are occasionally hired only for transporting the grain. In this case, the Russian KAMAZ truck is usually the first choice. More than 400 such trucks are in operation at EkoNiva throughout Russia. The yield expectations for the 2019 harvest are higher than usual. Although the agronomists do not expect a record harvest as in the previous years, they are satisfied in spite of the drought. 4 to 5 tons per hectare are projected for winter wheat. The yield per hectare for the barley harvest is 4.5 tons. We follow the KAMAZ trucks delivering the grain. The modern facility is attached to a dairy complex near the village of Zaluzhnoye. The silos have a total storage capacity of 30,000 tons. 135,000 tons of maize and grain are harvested every year on this farm near Liski. Visit the Ekosem-Agrar website for more information and career opportunities. You also have the opportunity to get to know Ekosem-Agrar personally every year in November at the Eurotier and Agritechnica exhibitions. This was the first part of our new YouTube short film series we shot for you in Russia. The second part will be devoted to tillage and some more harvesting activities. We will also give you an insight into a completely new business area that is currently being set up in this company. If you enjoyed our trip to Russia, please like and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel.